northbound 15 in Clearfield near 650 north. They've still got the left portion of the thing blocked, but they've also tried to get it behind the construction barrels. So I'm seeing 2 lanes for sure, a third. I guess it depends on what this highway patrolman in the area does. Nevertheless, traffic is at a dead stop all the way back to the I-84 split right now, coming south out of Ogden. 31st Street or I-84 is your last chances to exit the freeway before you'll wait out some delays trying to get down to 650 North Clearfield. Eric?
And here's that other spot, northbound I-15 in Midvale, just before 7200 south. You got cars blocking off 2 right lanes, and that's just adding to the congestion that normally we have from Draper into Sandy. So right now, you got a lot of slowdowns from Bangor Highway all the way up to that 7200 south exit. The thickest part will be right at 90th south in Sandy. Heather?
We also have a crash as you continue north I-15 at 3300 south. That's over on the right shoulder. The rest of the roadways in the Salt Lake Valley in pretty good shape, except for Bangor and 5600 west. Typical delays heading to the 201. Whether your pets have fur or feathers, you can spoil them at IFA's Love Your Pet Sale. IFA, country stores helping to grow the things you love. Heather Kelly and the KSL Traffic Center.
40 for a high today, and by Friday we'll be pretty close to seasonal normals, which is about 5 degrees more than that. Looking for lots of sunshine all week long, warming to 50 on Sunday. It's 25 downtown.
Live breaking news now on the mobile app for KSL News Radio. Listen at home or anywhere you go. Brought to you by Any Hour Services. KSL FM Midvale, KSL Salt Lake City, KSL News Radio. This is Utah's news station. The KSL 7 o'clock report begins now.
It is 7 o'clock on Utah's Morning News. Good morning, I'm Tim Hughes.
And I'm Amanda Dixon. KSL's top story on the 7 o'clock report.
Thousands line up in Salt Lake City to hear from a Democratic presidential candidate.
Mayor Pete for president.
The Pete Buttigieg Town Hall. KSL News Radio's Mary Richards begins our live team coverage. Mary?
Amanda, a few thousand people were at the Union Event Center last night. Pete Buttigieg is hopeful he can win over Utah voters, and he credited Republican Senator Mitt Romney's impeachment trial vote to remove President Trump.
He was more worried about his relationship with his conscience and with his maker than his relationship with the Republican Party.
Now, as the former mayor of South Bend, Indiana, says that will help him go to Washington. He got the endorsement of the Salt Lake City and Salt Lake County mayors in this race last night. Live, Mary Richards, KSL News Radio.
The Pete Buttigieg Town Hall. Our live team coverage continues with KSL News Radio's Todd Fuchs, who talked to some undecided voters waiting in line last night.
Anybody want to talk to a Chili radio reporter? Luckily, some did. On why they were there. I don't know, just to see if he can sway me to vote for him. I liked Andrew Yang, but he's out now, so.
I'm so horrified by our current president.
I didn't know I was considering Pete until I found out about this last night. I asked him what issues were important to them. Flee, healthcare, environment, gun control.
We need moral leadership. We need better education.
And who else they were considering, if not Pete?
Bloomberg.
Honestly, any of them except for Biden and Bloomberg. Some weren't so sure.
I don't know. For the first time in my life, I feel lost.
Todd Fuchs, KSL News Radio.
Another Democrat who is running for president will hold a rally this week. Michael Bloomberg will hold a rally in Salt Lake on Thursday. He visited here last month. The location for Thursday morning's rally has not been announced yet, but they want to start it at 9 o'clock.
Utah County elections officials say they have confidence with the troubled app they'll be using on Super Tuesday.
Countdown to Super Tuesday. KSL News Radio's John Wojcik continues our live team coverage. John?
Yeah, Amanda, that mobile app lets military personnel stationed overseas and residents with disabilities vote by phone. The Utah County Clerk has confirmed they plan to use the app in this year's elections. And last year, they were one of the few places in the entire country to pilot the program. The decision comes in lieu of a paper published last week by a team at MIT that said the app is vulnerable to a number of attacks that could violate election integrity. The Daily Herald spoke to Utah County Clerk Amelia Powers Gardner, who says she's not worried. She says military personnel and residents with physical disabilities are required to be given additional voting options, and other ideas like voting via email would pose a much greater security risk. Live, John Wojcik, KSL News Radio.
Yeah, so weather now with Graham Wayman. It should be a much different morning than we had yesterday.
Yeah, some of the snow showers yesterday evening, and of course we had plenty of snow showers in the morning yesterday, but it's pretty quiet now, and it looks like it is going to remain quiet this week with a period of dry weather here for today and really all the way through much of the weekend. Now, the temperatures are going to stay on the chilly side this morning, and our highs today will be right around 40, but that's a little cooler than average for this time of year. At this point, the average high is somewhere in the middle 40s. We are going to stay below that.